What is up, everybody? It is me, LPS Saf Loves Dogs. Not LPS Saf. Saf Loves Dogs. I'm too used to my old channel. So it's Saf Loves Dogs here with my first video. I'm getting an intro soon. So let's start. Choosing a male and female to be alpha in my pack. It's called Wolf Roble. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to make him red. And then gray. So how's he look? There, okay. Leg marking is going to be high. Looks cool. Head marking is going to be a large face mask. Okay. Stripe. Choose muzzle marking. We want it to be just white. Okay, we're gonna change this gray to cream, and his name shall be BRB. His name is going to be Rollo. Not in capitals. Now my female. I have no clue what I'm doing, so I seek dark. There we go. Let me read this in my head. I know the thing. So yeah. Let's play. So we head to age. All you need to do is put in the age. No, we're going to need a female to buy. Okay. And yeah. That's what blue tick looks like. I've only 100 mushrooms here. This one looks cool. Is it a female? Yeah. Okay. My screen is freaking out. Okay. I'm gonna change name. Kylie. No, you guys will see. Okay, things are good. So We're gonna mate our alphas. That's what I named the beta. Okay. Okay, Rolo. I haven't played this game in a long time. Let's manage him. That's the only one I can breed to. Yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry, I need to answer this quickly. Yeah, so future pups will come soon. I hope you I'm gonna have when they come out with one. So down below say what I should name it. And yeah. Bye.